Good afternoon, DJ. What's good? It is Tuesday, April 7th. The time is currently 1:19 p.m. It is a bloody good afternoon. I can say that now because I don't have the morning to say that. Um, just arrived at my desk when I started this. I'll say 1:19. As always, my weekly target is 3%. Mental check-in. Feeling generally okay. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to continue to grow and get 1% better. Still a little bit under the weather. I've got a splitting headache right now, DJ, but we digress. We're here. We're progressing. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News. We've had news today. All right, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going in today, we're 0.5 of account 0.25 of account size, and we have a max of 7.5, giving us 3 bullets on the day. I'm already I already took 2 L's this morning on a retracement account. I have one more trade. If it presents itself, I'm not too eager to get into the market today for retracement anyway, but if I see a continuation setup, I'm definitely engaging in that. Um, Weekly program going to this week has been confirmed, all right, it's a sell program. Nothing's really happened in price to change that for me. So electing to stick with our weekly program of being in a sell program. And session bias is also sell. All right, we took dealing range sell side. We got this beautiful continuation set up that obviously we didn't partake in because it confirmed outside of our trading hours. Hey, if I collect more data on these and it makes sense to collect them just due to the current market environment, all right, I will do that. But for now, okay, it was beautiful to watch. Don't regret not being in it. It wasn't my trade, it wasn't my trade, but very nice trade to have witnessed regardless. I did this because my stream on Twitch, I don't know how to fix it, but my charts aren't really super clean as I want them to be on there, and it's kind of annoying. But it's only week one, so I'm just trying to get accustomed. The words just escaped. I'm just trying to get accustomed to, the whole Twitch thing, and then obviously the second week we'll add stuff, take stuff away, and see how we can optimize it and make it a much better viewing environment for the viewer and the watcher. Because I don't want people watching watching the stream and they're seeing blobby charts. Like I don't even like how the charts look. That's my biggest thing right now. But we move, we digress, and we keep it pushing. And also, I also forgot to hit the record button today. So, mate, rookie mistakes, but it's all it's only day two, so it is what it is. Data range don't need to be adjusted, staying the same. I'm anticipating a continuation setup. Let's switch this bitch. Because if I do see a continuation setup, I will engage in that. Let's go ahead and note. Well, we got about 7 minutes. This is really where I wanted to see the continuation, but we also have lunch session that's about to be completed in here. That'll give us an opportunity for continuation to the south side. Let me add that thing right now into this script because it's a madness, man. It's a madness. Yeah, because they don't get to see me do the happy hunting. I don't like that. They need to know what happy hunting is. You know what I mean?
I haven't
Good
had it in
afternoon.
a while.
Afternoon, afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon.
How you doing?
We here.
Sometimes it be like that, man.
Yeah, big times, big times. How are you?
Can't complain. It's still sick. So I'm here. I'm here. Literally.
I feel like everybody's getting a little sick.
Yeah. But mine's ridiculous though. Like it's just never ending. I felt like I was getting better and then I wasn't. Oh,
Did you work this week?
it's annoying. Hmm?
Did you work this weekend?
This weekend was nah, nah.
Yes.
I just did the one college game on Saturday and that was pretty much it.
That's like a weekend.
Chilling.
What you seeing in the markets?
I'm waiting for a continuation sell setup to present itself. That's pretty much the only thing that I'm waiting for, really and truly. I can't take retracements because we're nowhere near dealing range levels. So, what about you? How's you back tested yet?
No, this will be my back testing session.
Oh, okay. Let's do it. Let's do it.
But last thing I saw was what is it? Um,
Is this what the first time you're looking at the markets or
no, I've looked at the markets the last couple of days, but just brief on my phone. I haven't really
um,
been able to get to my laptop.
no.
Um,
How's your sessions been going? How's the camp?
oh, don't. There. It's like I'm glad. I'm just glad it's 2 hours instead of three.
All right. So it's what it's like coaching and then the field session.
Yeah, basically, like the thing is, it's a lot of it's big ages. Like I have a 6-year-old and I have a 13-year-old.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, that's a big gap.
Mm-hmm.
And when you're supposed to be doing like the same thing with them?
Yeah,
Oh wow.
which
Damn.
is kind of crazy. But it's a small group. It's like 12
Yeah.
kids.
Yeah.
But it's cool though, because like you seen like yesterday, I saw the little kid, the 6-year-old. His name is Isaac. Mad shy yesterday. Obviously, like all the other kids, they all kind of know each other because they're all kids from the club.
Yeah.
And Isaac and some kid named Sunny are like the only two from outside of the club. Um, so the bit older kids, like they be cheering him on, and like today, like you could see it, he was talking to everybody.
Yeah, he
Everybody was
came out
getting
of his
next to
shell,
Isaac.
huh? Isaac ain't shy no more. Isaac
And
running
he
too
was
hard.
tackling, bro. He was tackling hard. He would like, wait and shit. And like when his time came up, he was like, okay, okay. And he would go into it. Bro, that's the shit I
Isaac
like.
he just needed a day to come out his shell, see what the vibes was.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, but they
And your
good.
private's been going good?
Yeah, yesterday both my privates was actually really, really good. They both like quality work all around, like touches, everything. Everything was good. Can't
Oh,
complain.
that's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah. And I got some tomorrow. Another day of camp. Last day of camp is on Thursday,
Thursday?
but I am doing like a few privates on Friday.
Get that money, girl. Get that money.
We we need to take advantage of the time we got on the markets.
Yeah, for sure. You haven't been missing much, really and truly, so.
I feel like it's been a good little break though. I feel like I was able to kind of like gather my thoughts a little bit more.
That's good. That's good. You always sometimes that break from the market is necessary for sure. Get a fresh head, fresh thinking.
Yeah. All right.
What's your intentions going into your back testing session today?
What's my intentions going into my back testing?
Yeah.
Just see what price has been doing. How his market structure kind of printed itself on the charts.
Mhm.
Uh, if
Are
there's
you
any,
starting from last week or you starting from this week?
I'm gonna start from last week
Oh, okay.
because last week I feel like last week was just I don't even remember last week. That's how I know it wasn't even that good.
Yeah, not much really happened last week, really and truly. Was it like a day, 2 days with two good trades? That's pretty much it. For me anyway, but you never know what you'll find in your back testing.
You back tested?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did back test last week. It was a short one because, like I said, there wasn't much really to do in the market. I realized that on this week moving forward, well, that week, I won't be trading Passion Week. Is it Passover week or is it Passion Week? Either one, whatever it's called. I'll,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be staying out the market
How come?
just because I didn't like the price action, right? It wasn't worth my time to sit in front of the markets for what it was offering. So it's Jesus week anyway, so let's give it to him, right?
You that wrong?
Yeah. Yep, yep.
All right, so last week started March 30th. We're already in April. That's so crazy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Time is flying. It's crazy, man. 4 months into the year already. God damn. Where is the time going?
All right, so July, My guy's singing in his head right now.
Hmm?
My guy is singing in his head right now.
Who, your brother?
Yeah. No, not in his head, but out loud.
He wants you to hear it. I had Glenn on the stream on Monday. Was it Monday? Yeah, Monday. He missed his class on Sunday, so he had to show up on the stream on Monday.
How
Mhm.
was that?
It was good. He was asking questions. He made it interactive, which I liked. Um, because obviously majority of the time I'm just waiting in the charts, right? So him asking questions actually like kept the flow going.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
I couldn't get in before
Getting what?
into Twitch. Like I couldn't.
Login?
No, like when you sent me the thing, I clicked on
Yeah.
it and it didn't let me watch.
Oh, maybe you have to have an account. No idea.
Hmm.
No idea. I'm still trying to work it out how it works. So I forgot to hit record today, so I will not be posting on YouTube. I'm going through rookie mistakes here.
It's okay.
Yeah, sorry. This retracement setup was so nice, but I would not be engaging in it because it finished outside of my trading times.
Hmm.
But looking at it, it was just so beautiful. Sexy stuff.
What time was that at?
It was actually right before I switched off during 10:50 macro.
Give me 1 second, Alice.
No worries, go ahead. May. Today at 7.
Oh man.
Good?
Yeah, my boss just called me.
What do you want?
Um, he told me that some guy's gonna text me because he wants to try to put her in a group, like a group private, like a group session with me. But I
Mm-hmm.
don't even do group sessions at that age.
You don't?
I used to, but a lot of them don't have time.
Right.
Like they all got after school sports. Like one got softball, the other got lacrosse. Some of them play volleyball. Like they're not really committed to soccer, you know? Like the little ones, they just got time for just soccer. Alright, so last week was here. There was only one on Monday that I could see.
Monday.
That from last week.
Mm-hmm.
There's only one trade I really could see from there.
Was it continuation, retracement?
I would say it is a I would say it is a continuation trade. Yeah, it's a continuation trade. Um, Hold on. Where is my
Still cold out there in New York?
Yeah, it's freezing.
When's it end? May?
Yeah. No, actually, it's supposed to be done actually like a while ago. But it was like 60 something degrees the other day. 70 almost.
Mm, that's beach weather over there, right there.
Yeah. How's it been over there?
It's been good. It's been nice. Bit rainy though, but that's Florida for you.
I wish we were in Florida right now.
Where you go? 2 more months?
2 more months, something like that.
2 more months. That's if something doesn't, pop up and switch your plans up.
Hopefully nothing. Hopefully nothing.
Yeah.
My friend actually just landed in Florida.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How long is she here for? He or she? I don't know.
She's there for I think like 4, 5 weekdays.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. All right, back to the charts. I'm getting distracted.
That
Yes.
ADHD shit.
So something I noticed on Monday was price did take dealing range. Um, dealing range sell side. So I took dealing range sell side. Probably there was no really retracement set up for me on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, yes, if I use the wick
Mhm.
of the candle. So Monday, March 30th. The 8 a.m. order block
On the 4 hour.
on the 1 hour.
Um,
8 a.m. order block on the 1 hour, March 30th. Um, from the bottom wick. Gave an entry at, we'll just say 11 a.m. Something that I'm gonna pay attention to in this backtesting session is um on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, like what is price doing at the nearest order block?
At the nearest order block?
Like has it touched it? Yeah, like what did price look like at the nearest order block? Not just
Got you.
all of them, you know?
Right.
So mhm.
Oh, I see the 8 a.m. It was the wick. It just literally tapped into the wick,
Yeah,
and that's it. Didn't give you no more, no less.
on the 4 hour, what are we doing? On the 4 hour, it did come into that 2 a.m. order block.
Hmm.
It came into the body of that. So that's about it. Um, so that was continue selling. Here we got 7 p.m. This is a new low. We rejected a really small doji from 11 a.m.
The 1 hour
Well, it wasn't during New York session though. So
when it
during
was launched.
Tuesday, it was during Asia.
Oh,
Asian session. It was during Asian session. We were like consolidating in this area at this small like doji order block before that 9 a.m. session. We pushed up, but there wasn't no entry for me at least
during Asia.
during Asia. Let me see. Keep losing my spot. There's nothing. What is this? No, that's nothing for me. In the morning. Um, Tuesday in the morning. There was maybe an entry, but I'd have to look on the lower time frame too.
Nothing that you would have confidently entered in.
Let me see. What's the high? Um, no,
No.
no, because 9 a.m. comes around and we run previous day high just a little bit
Hmm.
and we don't push past it. And all we did was retrace right after, but no entry for a retracement.
Did you at least catch the continuation then at 10?
No, wouldn't be able, no, wouldn't have, mm, could potentially have. Yeah, actually, now that you say it, now that you say it, there is. Would I have pulled the trigger though?
Right, right, right. But that's fine. We're not now maybe you would have pulled the trigger, right? Because you're collecting the data. So
That's why you, yeah, that's we're analyzing the ones we see that we could
right,
have seen.
right, exactly.
Um, and that's Tuesday. Nothing really after that. Here, what do I have this for? This was
So back to that continuation. What order block would you have? Do you think you would have called that on
entered on.
at the Tuesday one?
Tuesday 10 a.m. So the order block from Monday 11 a.m.
Monday 11.
on an on the hour.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
So that for me was a order block term breaker.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So once price, you see how price closed above it at 10 a.m. on
Yeah,
and be,
nine. Yeah.
yeah, and because price ended up the most recent order block after that order block was 8 a.m. on Monday.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Um, because of how it closed above it, seeing the retracement, like that retracement, I wouldn't have engaged in because I didn't have no uh place to enter from.
Right, right, right.
Because it technically invalidated the other order block across already.
Mm-hmm.
So retracement, probably not. Continuation, but yes, because the recent order block that I was using prior or could have used that got turned to breaker, price came back to retrace to then continue just going higher.
Right.
And since we did have previous day high get taken already, and we weren't close to previous day low, um, that's really why. That's all I would see. And they would, so entry would have been about 23 and 394.
23,394.
23, 394, yeah, point 50.
39. Oh, okay, why there?
That would have been entry.
Okay, what from the high of the order block, the
Um,
11 a.m. Are we using the 11 a.m. or are we using the 8 a.m.?
no, the 11 a.m., the body from the 8 a.m. Hold on. 11 a.m. Monday the 30th. That's the order
Mm-hmm.
block. I'm using like, even though it's a small doji, trying to use the body or at least like give myself enough points on each side,
Got you.
the closest I can to it.
Got you. Got you.
Um, so yeah, my entry probably would have been somewhere around like there. And I think because now I'm going on like a higher time frame
Mhm.
bias and even using that as entries too. Um, because when I go onto the lower time frame, I really have a harder time getting entries sometimes.
Right.
I really do. Uh,
That's fair. You know yourself.
I would be risking way less. I feel like that's another thing. Maybe risk less and then try to get big, like higher time frame moves.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's what the back testing is, right? You look at that 1 hour order block and go lower and see if there's something maybe that's clean to you on the lower time frame. If it's not, it's not, right? You're just looking.
Yeah.
Just
Gave a
don't go on.
it gave it gave a 1 to 2.
1 to 2.
Yeah, which is good. And it was quick though. But those
Yeah.
ranges are just kind of crazy. That's what I'm saying too. Like these ranges have just been kind of
Yeah. Wow.
because I've been on a 50 to 100 and that looks like I look like I'm scalping when I'm on the 1 hour.
Yeah. Yeah. It does look like that. 'Cause it's just good. It gets to your profit target in no time.
So, because looking at this trade, I would be more comfortable with a 100 point stop. That's type crazy.
100 point stop. So where would your stop have been?
23,284. So if you look on the 30-minute, there's like an order block that already got tapped into. But it only got tapped into at the top of the order block.
Right. Uh-huh,
If
uh-huh.
it gets even to the bottom of the body of the order block, then for me, prices is gonna start tanking. So the bottom of that was 23,286.
286. And
That was a
that's where your stop would have been?
100 points.
Mm. Usually you're risking what? 50?
Yeah,
So that's double.
that's double. So that means, putting less contracts,
Yeah, 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 for sure.
which is not too bad because what? It's a higher probability.
Hmm.
Because even afterwards, like it went way more than like for PM session, it went way more than
1 to 2.
yeah, completely changed. Um, I'm eating all my Easter candy.
Oh yeah. We went on the Easter egg hunt thing that them people be doing.
Yeah,
Oh man.
we had it inside.
Oh yeah.
It was raining, so we had to do it inside.
Damn. What kind of candy be in the eggs?
Flakes, chocolate,
Mm-hmm.
like Sour Patch,
Mm-hmm.
all type of stuff. Like Smarties. Do you ever have Smarties?
Smarties? What does it look like? Let me see. Yeah.
Candy in the US is terrible, but
Yeah, it is. Is is it like let me see.
it's like a little pill thing.
Nah, I don't think I've had that before. Is it like Skittles like that? Oh no.
Kind of, but like in a roll.
Ah, chill.
You are a big candy person?
Nah, not really. I like sweet shit, but candy, mm-mm. I'm more like a cakey type of sweet shit.
See, I was the opposite until recently.
Oh yeah, now you're into candy?
I used to be. This is like chocolates that go into them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I used to be a big sweet person. On the occasion.
Yeah. Once I stop, I can't control myself, so I try to limit myself.
Same.
Yeah. Once I get going, that's it, boy. 5, 7, 5. I'm in a cell.
Okay. I'm even looking at price right now.
Yeah, don't even worry about what's going on.
Oh.
So Tuesday, that would have been a setup for you, yeah? That would have been it for the day.
hmm Yeah, that definitely would have been. Right now, I'm already on to Wednesday.
Huh?
On the 1 hour, the only real thing I can see is there's a 1 hour OB from 5 a.m. Look at it on the 4 hour. Okay, on the 4 hour. There's an order block from
5 a.m. That tiny ass thing right there. Nobody.
no. There's a five. There's a six. Oh, maybe it is 6 a.m. Thursday, the 26th. I'm on the 4 hour.
Oh,
There's a 4 hour order block there, but originally there is that 5 a.m. little order block on the 1 hour that has no body.
yeah.
Um, so I'm going to a lower time frame and see if there's anything. Generally, you just use the size of that. Like, it was the size of the 6 a.m. 30-minute candle
6
from last
a.m.
week. Mhm. So I just used that
Mm-hmm.
on accident though. Like I marked it up on the 1 hour. I didn't even see the 30-minute. Um, 9 a.m. gives, let me see. What was previous day? I don't know that. So we did run previous day high already that
On
day.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yep.
We had run previous day high already. Mm, from 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Previous day hours.
All right. Way. You heard that, TJ? Did you hear that? Goddamn stomach.
Oh boy. So we're talking about Wednesday entry. Yeah, probably like 9 a.m. Looking at it,
9.
9:30. Yeah, 9:30 gave an entry.
Mm-hmm.
After it did not take dealing range, but we did take previous day high. We did take previous day high, so buying there wouldn't have been bad. Would
Would
I
have been
have
a
taken it though? Probably
oh,
not.
no, you don't think so?
Probably
As a
not.
continuation?
As a continuation, no, because I seen that 9:30 there was yeah, no, probably not. There was really no reason for me to take it or not to take it.
Right.
Um, so yeah, probably not. No. Because we didn't take daily range high yet. And just because we took previous day high, we were also rejecting some order blocks that were on a higher time frame, like the 4 hour and stuff. So I probably would have just sat on my hands because it was contradicting itself.
Fair.
Until I saw a close above it. And then even so, the close above to continue higher wasn't really there. Got a strong push down. Mm. Interesting to see what price is doing where it's at right now.
Without you now,
Yeah.
ain't doing much.
There's a daily will be above us though.
Above us now or back then?
No, above price now.
Uh,
Yeah.
Monday 16th or or Tuesday.
Tuesday the 17th.
Okay.
Tuesday the 17th. Because that one still hasn't even been tapped into. Just the wicks, but the most recent one from yesterday, no, from Friday, that one, I wouldn't even count it no matter how this next candle closes. How today closes, I should say.
What? Which one? The Friday?
Yeah, I wouldn't count that as an order block.
Yeah, it was incomplete day anyway.
Yeah, so there's that. There is that order block from Monday last week below on the daily as well. So this area here, looking where prices, I would
You done?
honestly,
You done with last week?
yeah, I
Oh,
didn't really see anything else.
oh, Thursday didn't give you nothing? Nah, nah, did it?
Nothing.
No. Yeah. It wasn't that great of a week, really. That's what
And
I
I
saw.
think that's why like I forgot about it.
Yeah, trust me, I forgot by it too. That's why I said that week. Yeah, I'm gonna let the Lord have his week. He came, he died for me, so he deserves at least that week for me to just stay out the market. So what
Yep.
did you get out of that week then? It wasn't really an eventful week really, so Mhm.
It really wasn't anything. Like it was just a lot of chop and a lot of not a lot of chop. Let me not say that. I would
Yeah.
just say like large volatility.
Yeah. But like not ones that, well, for me anyway, that I would have, majority of them, it just went without me, to be honest, last week.
Yeah. Yeah. They really didn't do it for me, no.
Yeah, 100%. So coming into this week, Monday, yesterday, have you seen anything that you would have engaged in for yesterday?
See, that's where we are now. Let me see. On a 4 hour. So this is invalid. I would have counted that order block from last Friday on the 4 hour.
Mhm. Mhm.
I would have marked that up
The 10 not 10 a.m. No, I'm looking at
6 a.m. on Friday.
6 a.m. Friday. Okay.
I would have marked that up just because it's an interesting area how price completely like engulfed it.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Being that we are there right now currently, and we already took some sell side liquidity. I mean, yesterday really wasn't much for me to take. Mm.
Yeah, yesterday really the only thing for me was just the retracement setup in the morning, PM session. I did see a setup, but it didn't really pan out. So
Here, well, there's like could be a breaker setup,
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
continuation buy for me. The only thing that I could think of.
For today?
No, yesterday.
Okay.
Wednesday, April 1st at 12 p.m., that order block on the 1 hour. Um, it got traded above on 4 a.m. on Monday
Mm-hmm.
and then retraced back into it at around 8 a.m., 9 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
So that could have been that buy, especially because we closed above previous day high. So we ran previous day high already before when price came back into it and then pushed up. That's what I see from yesterday.
Continuation buys.
Continuation buy, yeah. It could have hit my stop loss though if I did get in.
Mm-hmm.
With a 50 point. With 100 though,
Yeah. Well, now that you're basing it off a higher time frame, is it fair to reevaluate your stop loss points? Or
yes, but regardless, it's still something that, need to be realistic about because with 100 points,
mm-hmm.
it still wouldn't have given a 1 to 2.
Right, right,
It only gave like a 1 to barely a 1 to 1.5.
right.
So it just means prices range is just, for me at least, it's just too big right now, maybe.
Right.
Or timing,
That too.
because I'm
Right,
not looking into it like on the lower time frame where,
right.
our trading
Refining.
times are
Right, right,
9:30
right,
or macros.
right, right.
So I can't sit here and firmly say, oh, I would take this or no, I wouldn't.
Right.
Um, yeah, I mean, at 9:30 it's when it gave the push.
On Monday?
Yeah, took yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah, it did give the push, and at like 9:45, um, it did open and close above it.
right.
Uh, and if I had gotten in, like, let's say, we're on the 5 minute now. We gotta go as deep in as possible. Entry would have been like 9:40, could have been 9:45,
Mm-hmm.
and be out by like 10 a.m. So the trade is there. It's a matter about who's taking it.
Yeah. Who's taking it, when they're taking it, and where they're taking it to.
Oh man. So that's the only really thing I've seen
Mm.
from yesterday. PM session, there was nothing really I was like interested in. Price did make like an interesting, I don't know if this would technically be like a head and shoulders, like candlestick pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but it's like those two candles from Monday at 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. are like the head. The left shoulder is the 4 a.m. and the 5 a.m. candle from Monday, from yesterday. And the 3 p.m. and the 4 p.m. would be the right shoulder.
Yeah, I see it. But then we come and we take the left shoulder, was it right shoulder, Tuesday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
After the initial fall, because the neckline, you see where the 8 p.m. candle is yesterday?
8 p.m., 8 p.m., 8 p.m. yesterday, 8 p.m. Yeah.
That area is technically the neckline. So the way that I've seen it before is like it should be within that area, and that's where you're looking to continue for the break to happen,
Got you.
to then push lower. So it did do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then price ended up coming back into what the right shoulder was
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
and created another bearish order block right there. So it was like a reversal, but it also gives you kind of like a retracement
Right.
to continue even lower, which is it looked like it did that. But I wouldn't have taken that retracement up. Like there was nothing there. And it also surpassed this level. I could have gotten cooked this morning
Yeah. You're
in-
taking what?
because so there's obviously like there's two things there, right? It's
Uh-huh.
pre what we talked about, like dealing range. You know how you
Mm-hmm.
like, oh, like the day, the morning of, or well, the night, 12 a.m. where
Yeah,
you
yeah.
are.
Yeah.
Like, let's say if I would have been trading during London, which like by the way, sleeping schedule, all types of messed up.
Oh,
The wake
shit.
session. Um, like let's just say theoretically, if Tour have traded like London,
Yeah.
using this as like a continuation, I would have gotten like obliterated on a continuation trade right there at
Using
fine.
using what though? Using what?
The 8 p.m. candle from Monday, from yesterday.
8 p.m. Oh, okay, using it as a retracement setup or what?
Yeah, as a continuation lower.
Got you.
Yeah, using it as a continuation lower would have gotten cooked if I was like, doing like a London session. Because dealing range high already had gotten taken this morning since the high from 12 a.m. was about where are we? 24,261.
Mm-hmm.
Like having looked for that retracement right there would have not, I mean, that continuation right there wouldn't have been good. And I wouldn't have, I can't sit here and tell you either that at 9 a.m. today, I would have gotten into anything either. Really and truly.
At 9.
Yeah, today at 9, I don't think I would have gotten into anything.
There wasn't much this morning except for a continuation sell and that retracement setup that completed outside of my trading times, unfortunately. So you're all caught up.
I believe so. Let's see.
So today there would have been nothing for you.
From the looks of it, no. Um, 12 a.m. Okay, this was the most recent order block, so now this is the most recent order block. And this is a big ass move. All right. Obliterated. Hmm. Hmm. Right now, we're rejecting a 4 hour OB.
Yes, the 2 a.m. candle, yeah.
Yeah. Mm. Mm, 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 mm.
I'm in the continuation still from there.
You've been in
So
this though, right?
yeah, I've been in the cell. I've been in it since what's the time here? Since 1:57.
Hmm. Yeah, that's really all that I see right now. This morning, not really seeing nothing I would have liked. Yeah. If I was trading on the 4 hour, I would say right here would be a good selling point. How many points is that though? God damn.
Well, let's stop. How many points for the stop?
Oh, stop. I mean, right now, stop that I have is 50, but that could get obliterated so quickly. Like these ranges are just wild. For
Yeah,
me to be comfortable in this trade,
yeah,
I would need 100, like at least 100 points at the very least.
right.
Um, Targeting 200 is it is realistic. I mean, it is realistic, especially just how the market is moving. Um, Targeting previous day low
That'll be
because
a target.
that would be my target.
Yeah,
Even though we already ran that, right?
yeah, yeah. We did.
We ran that, so that the sell at the 4 hour, yeah, it's a good trade right now.
And let's see then.
I had to use all of my brain cells right now to analyze this shit.
Be like that.
It's been that long that like
I mean, do you have this written down? Your daily processes? You should have it written down, you know?
I do have them written down. The only thing is like it's been so like I just feel like Friday we didn't show up, obviously for Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah,
Yesterday didn't come. This morning. Like that's 5 days, you know? That's five.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a long time away from these candlesticks, man. Yeah, I feel you.
I don't even want this. Yeah. So I'm like,
So where
hey,
would your entry have been in this one?
24,218.
24, 218.
Yeah, 218.
Okay. Okay, close to my entry there.
Probably a little bit higher, but not to be greedy. I mean, like I'm thinking what I'm trying to like try to gather is should I use The bottom of the order block, or should I let it get into the order block a little bit deeper?
Into what, the bodies, or
Yeah,
come up a little bit higher?
yeah. Should I let it
Um,
get into the body? Cool.
Sometimes, obviously, from what we've noticed, it comes into the wick, right? And it goes. It doesn't really come as high as you want it to come in the order block. So I
Especially
would
higher time frame.
higher time. Oh, higher time frame. I would start an entry there, and then maybe if you want to get in again when it goes a little bit higher, depending on if your risk allows it. It
You
just
know,
basically it depends on your stop loss, actually.
Alice, that actually sounds like a great ass fucking idea.
Yeah.
Because if you get in, right? You get in
Yeah.
at, like, let's say the bottom. So for this 4 hour candle right here,
Yeah.
if you get in at the bottom of the body, like
Yeah.
you could get a one, go for a 1 to 2 right there, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And on the next, if it goes into it a little bit deeper, then you can add another contract, but
Right.
be okay with the profits that you have or the loss that you have prior to.
Right. 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 Something to look into, you know. Just so for the times where it doesn't dig in deeper, at least you have one contract still in to
Yeah.
catch something.
Because if it were to, like, let's say we go, oh, I don't have it here. Hold on. What is this? For 100 points, 100 points is you use one contract. They do give it though, so let's see.
At the high of the wick with 100 point stop, that would have kept you in.
I mean, it still keeps you in.
Mm,
Yeah, but no, yeah, it does still for right now, it has kept me in.
mm,
Because if we go down to, right, so the body is the low of the body is 24,230, right? So
mhm.
having gotten in on the 1 hour, let's say this is 10 a.m. So at 1 p.m. right now,
Mm,
if I had, let's say, had gotten in, or even at like, okay, this is actually great. Today at 9:30,
mhm.
there was an entry, but because it wasn't closed on the 4 hour, it still wasn't closed, wouldn't have used it as an order block.
All right.
At 6
Because it
a.m.
was still
wouldn't have.
forming.
Yeah, so now later at 10 a.m., where we at? 10 a.m., we already closed below. No retracement here. Right now, this is where I would really get in.
Hmm.
This 1:30 p.m. candle on the 30 minute,
Yeah.
the 100 point stop, I'm still in.
Yeah.
Um, and but with obviously with a 50 point, no. If I were to move this to like a 50 point and gotten in at the high of like a second contract
Yeah.
towards the middle of this 4 hour OB, then or a little bit deeper in, it would look better. Let me see. With 50 points. 50 points, 50 points, 50 points. Go back. Mhm. Would have been tapped in still.
You would have been still in there.
Yeah. Chasing 100 points though, you would have already gotten entry. Yeah. We'll see how this trade goes. That's the only thing I've seen.
Yeah.
Aside from that, nothing else. My crystal ball says you better hit it.
I better give it to me. I took 2 L's this morning.
What were your retracements? So, buys?
Yes. Yes. Retracement buys. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I would have gotten cooked on a retracement buy too, low key.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's that 6 p.m. candle from Sunday. That
hmm
covenant breaker. I want ice cream. Damn.
You want an ice cream?
The ice cream truck just passed by? You guys
Yeah.
got ice cream trucks in Florida?
Well, I haven't seen one in a minute though. But yeah,
Okay.
we do. I haven't seen one in a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Ice cream truck just passed. Oh my God. Let's see if these people got ice cream. But yeah, I would have gotten cooked on a retracement.
Okay, it gave me -1.
Hey, let's go it.
So just the stop 4-6.
Oh my God. And then if I would have looked at like potentially a continuation sell,
Mm-hmm.
I would have gotten cooked also.
Oh yeah? Where?
Like let's say for the 11 a.m. Let me see what time on at 11 a.m. today did that happen. Because if it was, oh no, maybe in the macro time frame, 11:50 macro,
11:50.
but we don't trade that time, so wouldn't have really been anything. But
11:50?
yeah,
Oh, for a sell?
yeah,
Mm,
would have gotten cooked there.
yeah.
So I guess that's what we're battling against.
Mm-hmm. So, oh, you're gone. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm gonna go get ice cream.
Oh my God, you and this damn ice cream. So you wouldn't have saw nothing on the 8 a.m. 1 hour bearish order block there at the wick, 10 a.m. when it came into it. That wouldn't have been a continuation sell for you.
When did it come in at 10 a.m.? Oh, into the wick.
Yeah, into the wick. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's a good continuation.
Yeah,
And it's rejecting daily range.
yeah,
Oh, well, what was daily range?
yeah. What was dealing range? Yeah, low at the time.
'Cause I usually like I don't adjust the daily range after it gets taken
You just leave it the same.
for the session.
Right, right, right,
So like for PM now, like I will move it because we've already kind of price had its move for the morning
yeah,
and the day. Like it's been a broader period of time.
right, 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 right. I hear you.
So in this moment to let me know like okay, we are gonna continue going lower or we're gonna continue going higher, like it needs to get taken. Um I shouldn't say that. It should have been taken.
Dealing range, dealing
Like
range. Okay.
like you know how sometimes daily range doesn't get taken and we're just literally in the middle of
Yeah, the range.
so
Yeah,
or like it gets taken but it's just like a slight bit.
yeah.
Come on, keep going lower.
For real. Would you have got 7 TP1 yet or no? Or you'd be going for 1 to 2?
If I use the tip of the order block,
Mm-hmm.
I would be barely in profit.
Mm-hmm.
Um, or if I would have waited for like the middle of the order block to get taken, I would have hit TP1 already. Actually, I would have hit all my TPs.
Yeah.
So I did get out of my guys' group.
Oh, you did?
Did I tell you that?
No, you told me that you was gonna get out of it, but you didn't say that you got out of it.
Yeah.
Done with my guy and his gun, pointing at the screen. Yeah. Yo, that's funny.
It's funny though. I
Yeah,
peeped my guy, like he had a bad trading week too.
yeah,
Everybody.
tough. I guess you keep up with him on social media, see how he's doing.
Yeah. I feel like everybody's just going through it right now.
Yeah, the market is doing what the markets wants. A lot of manipulation going on.
Too much. Oh man. What you got planned for the week?
For the week, nothing really. Trying to get used to this Twitch shit, fix my shit on there. Um, got games this weekend. Well, I haven't got them yet, but I put my availability in for this weekend. And that's pretty much it. One of my signers trying to give me a game for tonight, but I'm not really feeling it. So I'm about to turn that bitch down. Just I don't know, man. I just really been in a weird state of mind. Just a weird state.
How come?
No idea. It's the sickness is part of it to play, and part of it is just like I just feel stagnant. Just
Yeah.
like not moving.
Stuck in the
But
same spot.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
I feel you on that.
yeah. But I just have to understand where I'm at right now. All I can do is what I'm doing, really and truly. There's nothing more or nothing less I can do. Just gotta keep showing up,
I
keep
feel you on
doing,
that.
keep doing what I need to do.
I felt that one big.
Hmm?
I felt that one big.
Yeah, yeah. It's been tough, but it is what it is. It is what it is. And then when the market's acting like this, it just doesn't help, does it? It just doesn't help.
Not at all.
But at least this Twitch thing is something new for me to distract my mind with. So it's been taking my mind off things.
I feel you on
Yeah, definitely been taking my mind off things. It's giving me new problems.
that one.
And new problems to focus on.
Hopefully better ones.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I prefer to focus on these than the bigger picture problems because there's not much I can do. I'm where I'm at. Not much I can do. Sure. If there is, shit, I'll do it. But right now, I can't think of much I can do. But I'm just gonna pour my energy into this Twitch thing, and the next thing will come.
I feel you on that one.
It will come. It will come. We tanking. We tanking. Negative 1.5 got hit there. Not a partial point for me because it's a continuation sell. I'm waiting for -2. And one thing too, my management is the only thing that I just feel like I'm not 100% confident on how I'm managing my trades.
In terms of what?
Like using the fibs, like I don't know if I should be managing the continuation setups the same, partially at the same spot. Because right now for retracement, I partial a -1 and then 1.5 and then onwards, depending on the contract size. With continuation, first partial is -1, next partial is -2, just because it's going with the session bias, right? So I want to capture more of the move. But maybe I should take something off at 1.5 too.
Yeah.
I should just partial when the market gives it to me, you know?
You'd low-key be doing the same thing I do.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the one aspect of my trading that I just wish was better.
It takes time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Diana still struggles with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's honest.
Yeah, it is.
Um, I think that that's something that like it's like you don't know when to pay yourself
Yes,
or like
yes.
want more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the thing is, am I oxing too much of the market? Should I just partial on my fib levels and just keep it pushing? You
Mhm.
know?
The way that I like to look at it prior was just like, all right, like how much is it really moving, and like
Right,
what does can it realistically give me consistently?
right, right.
And
One -1 and 1.5, they're consistent, so I might as well just partial as it goes down.
yeah, and just set up your protocols like you kind of told me, like what are we doing at TP1? What are we doing at TP2? What are we doing
Yeah,
at TP3?
yeah, yeah.
Like, oh, how much we taking out? Where's our stop gonna go? And blah 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 blah. And then coming to terms with like
Yeah, just being okay with the outcome regardless, right? Because for me,
that
it's like sometimes I see certain trades and I'm like, oh, if I had a different type of management style, I still would have been able to capitalize. But it's just about just being content with wherever the market gives me and where my criterias are, you know?
yeah, I mean that's where I've struggled with. That's where I've struggled with 100%. I need that shit to fall though, keep falling.
Yeah, I needed to fall just a little bit more too.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. Let it do its thing. If it gives it to me, it gives it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But for now, moving forward, I will be partial at 1.5 on all of them. So
Yeah.
yeah, let's not do too much, you know?
That's why I go by like fixed numbers.
Yeah,
I feel like whenever I don't go by a fixed number, like I can't like I like to be consistent.
same, 100%.
Like that's what I think like again, that's what I struggle with sometimes because it's like I want the consistency to keep happening.
Yeah. I just really just don't want to think, you know? I don't want to think at all. I just want to do. Says here, do this, do it. That's it. Fuck it. The rest is out of my hands.
See, that's the part I feel like I was struggling of the last couple weeks was like waiting, the patience, um, to let the setups play out
Yeah, yeah.
and having a set like, all right, for continuations, like I'm taking it off at 1% or 1.5 or point yeah, like 1.5 or 2, you know.
Mm-hmm. It gave me negative too.
Hey, let's go.
So one thing I'm noticing here that it doesn't reduce the stop still. Why is my buy stop still saying three? Should be one. Cool. Live trading problems. 37,725.
You traded your Lucid account already?
Yeah. That's what I took today was the first day of them. That's what I'm trading right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is this is a live shit right here. We live in here. I guess I can just reduce it from here. Hey. Failed to modify. Yikes. Okay.
No, let me know how you like it, Lucid.
Yeah. So far, no complaints. So far, so good.
Is it like Top Step or no?
Do I like Top Step?
No, is it like Top Step?
No, it's not like Top Step. Well, Top Step, they have their own platform, right? This is other outside platforms, I guess, as you say, I would say it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But so far, so good.
The Champions League is today. Oh my God.
I just go think that Arsenal's playing in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Fuck ass Arsenal.
All right, I don't like this though. Why is it? Cannot modify this order type. Please cancel your order and replace. Okay, so I gotta close it and set a buy stop.
Keep pushing, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Oh, buy stop, one buy stop. Yeah. Okay. So my retracement account is down 491, and I don't know what this one's gonna be, the outcome of this one. So let's see.
You got two accounts?
Yeah, I got to 200Ks. The deal was just too nice to pass up. When I looked at it, it was 50% off, but when it was time for me to pull the trigger, it was only 40%. I'm like, you duped me 20 bucks. But like, it's all right. It is what it is.
Is what it is.
Yeah. Let's see. My goal is 3%, 3% a week. Really, 10% a month is my actual goal, but I'm given a little buffer of 3%, which gives me two. It should be two, right? Three times four, 12. Yeah. Give me that little 2% win or give or take, whatever.
For the week?
Yeah, 3% is my target for the week, yes. I don't know if initially I'll be hitting it with my risk parameters right now because my risk is 250 a trade. But
Okay.
let's see. I was told that that's what we need to hit our break even. So that was my target, 10% to be
10.
comfortable. The boss gave me.
The boss gave you.
Yeah. Everybody's got a boss. Yeah, I said this is what you need. I have till September to get there.
Maybe I.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm not stressed. I'm not worried. I'm not worried.
Oh wait,
So you would have got at the wick where you be at right now.
at the wick, it for 100 for 200 point target,
Mm-hmm.
I would have technically hit TP two already on 100 points.
Okay.
On this 100 point target, like 200 point target, I haven't hit TP one yet.
Okay. So we're going with 100 point stop with 200 point target, 1 to 2. Okay. All right. And you're partialing?
Would be partial, like, so I'm just looking at it right now. I'm collecting data.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm with you. Okay. All right. All right. That's fair.
Collecting
That's fair.
data.
Yeah, yeah,
We'd be at, I mean, I would like to partial for sure. I think
yeah.
partial at um 50% first
Mm-hmm.
would be the best at 100 points.
Mm-hmm.
If price continues where it's at right now, it's gonna give me that.
Mm-hmm.
Um, because I'm on the higher time frame. If if I had gotten in on the middle of the candle, we would have had already gotten our 1 to 1 and our 1 to 2 already.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think I would partial at like 100 points, 150, and 200, but that does seem like OD.
Yeah.
So
Well, it depends on the contract size, right? What contract size at 100 point stop? What would you be risking? Well, how many contracts are you going in at?
it would have to be max two.
Two?
Max two contracts. So you can't even partial really a lot. You can only take either
Yeah.
one or TP2 because it's just so massive. Now, if I had like a bigger account, like maybe it was like 100K account,
I don't know how this thing works, but it's doing its own. It did its own shit here.
it took you out.
Yeah, it took me out, but it was still like in the trade.
Uh,
That Tash did say to pay attention to my orders because it be acting up. It be acting up. So it's looking like 1 to 1 and then 1 to 2. Take something
if
about 1 to 1.
if I'm taking a 100 point stop loss trade, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you never know, right? If you dig deep into the lower time frame and see if you can refine an entry, that's always an option, you know?
Right now, especially because like it's everything is just so volatile.
Yeah.
Um, I mean, let me see. Because if I got in, I'm telling you, if I got into where I wanted to get into right now, I would have hit my
Mhm.
stop loss so quickly because right
Where what?
so high. Right now at two, like 150 macro,
Mm.
it could have potentially hit my stop, you know?
Right, right. So
So
it's about refining our stop then, the stop then, to give it enough room but still managing being able to get in with enough contracts.
so where I'm going right now is like using those wicks as like the points to get out.
To get out
Yeah, like exit
your
points.
stop loss.
Yeah.
So, okay, so for this setup, where would your stop loss have been?
My stop loss would like so like if I had gotten in where I got in right now, in the middle of the where if let me speak. All right. 2 p.m. If I had
Yeah,
gotten in on the exit, like the outside of that order block, the wick from 9 a.m. today would have been where my stop loss is.
the
Like
week from 9 a.m. 9 a.m.
above that would have been my stop. That's
Okay.
79 points.
90 points,
79.
79.
Yeah, it's a 79 point stop. That to me is like a stop loss that would make sense because if
Yeah,
price were to close above that wick, you know, it would look to probably go to that 1 hour OB to then continue lower, but because we're on that higher time frame, we're on the 4 hour, like I really would just want to see it kind of come down and not come all the way up there.
yeah,
Um, that would be my comfortable stop loss. But with a 1 to 2 50 points, like you get taken out quickly.
yeah, yeah. You do before the trade even does what it's supposed to do.
So now, if we were talking about getting in prior, yeah, the bitch is tanking.
Yeah, it's tanking. It is tanking. Well, I'm targeting like you said, previous day's low and the low AM session low that it created, the one that took previous day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, same. I would have gotten the 1 to 2 with 100 points and 200 point target right now
With
on
the
the
wick, right?
no from the body
From the body? Oh, okay.
from the wick from the bottom of the order block
Hmm.
body, like not the middle, just the edge.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd be at a 1 to 1.5. That makes sense. 150 points.
150.
I would have hit it already. Yeah. I don't know. I gotta refine this shit big time
Yeah. Yeah. You do 100%. 100%.
because of just adjusting to what the markets are giving right now, right?
Yeah. Unless you want a less contracts and bigger stop loss, right? Because that's what you would get on the higher time frame. You have to be comfortable with that.
Yeah. We'd have to see.
Mm. Yeah, because those ranges on the higher time frame, they be huge. They be huge. They be huge. I swear to God, they be huge.
You know,
I'm trying to see right now, like how you could have even refined a 4 hour order block there. What would have made sense?
on the 4 hour, that 2 a.m. candle this morning, we're finding it on the 1 hour. The closest thing you have is that 5 a.m. candle.
Oh, 5 a.m. Let me get there. Yeah, and that shit is all the way up there. Price doesn't even come up to that shit.
Yeah. I mean, on
Uh,
the lower time frame, like there's that 9 a.m. 30-minute order block.
9 a.m. 30 minutes. I believe I am on the 30 minutes. Yes, yes.
And if
Um,
you use that,
mm-hmm,
you're still using because the order block, the 9:30 candle, the top
mm-hmm.
of that candle would be where my stop loss would be.
It wouldn't be at the wick of the candle that actually creates the order block or confirms the order block?
No,
No?
no.
Mm.
Should it?
Yeah. Look to put your stop at swing highs and swing lows.
But the next candle, like it swung high and then it fell.
Yeah, but it still wouldn't have taken you out though.
That's fair.
If you put your stop just a little bit above that high,
Hmm.
I would go like one handle above wherever the high is. It
Which
came close to it, it would have been scary, but it doesn't take you out.
I mean, So which candle, the 9 a.m. candle or the 9:30 candle?
The 9:30 candle.
Put it at the high of the wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's where I would put my stop loss.
Oh, I thought you said the 9 a.m. candle wick
No, no,
high.
no, the 9:30 candle.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay.
All right, cool. We on the same page. I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah, we're on the same we're on the same page.
yeah, that's the one I would take. And then it got close.
Yeah, it did come close. It would have been scary. I would have closed my
That,
eyes right there and be like, Jesus, take the wheel. uh, but yeah,
yeah, but that's a 77-point stop.
I mean, yes, less than 100.
Yeah.
Let's say 100 is your max, right? So if you're within less than 100, you're in a good spot, right? You say 100 is your max stop, but you don't want to hit 100, but that's your max.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
mean, with a 1 to 3, like let's say if I did a 1 to 3, right?
yeah.
I mean a 1 to 3, a 1 to 2. Um, I'd be I'd be able to do every 50 points TP.
Partial.
Yeah, partial.
Yeah.
Because a 1 to 2 would give me 154 points. So so I could go maybe, oop, give me a second.
No worries.
Oh, brother.
Good?
Yeah. Yep.
So yeah, one to two,
One to twos.
one to twos.
One to twos. That's what I'm going for right now. Like
So where would your entry would have been at the body of the 9 a.m. candle or
at the at the body of the 8 a.m.
at the 8?
8 a.m. Yeah.
8 a.m. candle?
Yeah. Because that's the order block.
It's not the 9 a.m. candle?
On the 1 hour?
Yeah. Oh,
The,
oh,
the
I'm looking at the 30 minutes. Sorry, the 30 minutes.
you're good.
I'm looking at the 9 a.m. on the 30 minutes.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. I mean, technically, right now, speaking, yeah, that 9 a.m. would be the refined, right?
Yeah,
Looking on the 1 hour, it'll give you an entry, right? But it's gonna give you a lower entry. So you need a higher stop.
right, right.
Now, going on the lower time frame, you get a better entry because you see how like price consolidated in that area for basically 3 hours, 2.5 hours almost.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So that's a better entry for me, to be honest. And then your stop can be a little bit less.
Right.
So like 79 points. So you get your one to two.
Mm.
And we would have just missed
Or
three.
the if you look on the 15 minute, the 9:15 candle,
Mm-hmm.
would you consider that an order block
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we
That's
find
that's enough.
inside of the 4 hour?
Yeah. And you would have already hit a one to two also.
Yeah, on that one maybe, yeah.
And it would have been way less.
Yeah.
Oh, I got more homework to do.
That's good. That's good. That's good. It keeps you distracted and busy.
I think you know what it is because I got violated by the lower time frame the other days, and now it's like I'm trying to trade the higher time frame, but the size is just too big.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, 15 minute is not too low,
No,
right?
it's just refining the entry. So
Yeah, yeah.
what I gotta the way I gotta approach it is the higher time frame is the confirmation for the lower time frame.
Right.
So because I'm willing to take a sell on the higher time frame 1 hour order block, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I should be willing to also take a sell off of that same order block on the lower time frame from time from that time.
Yeah. For what I see in is your point of interest is based on the higher time frame, but for an entry, you're refining it to a lower time frame order block within that order block. That obviously makes sense. It gives you a lower risk and gets you to your target quicker, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
point of
so
entry is on the higher time frame, but actual entry point can be found
right,
on the lower time frame.
right. Let's say 30 minute, 15 minute was the lowest right now that you're working with.
So 15-minute and 30-minute entries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you really go on those time frames to refine what your higher time frames already saying.
I like it. I like it. Picasso.
Yeah. Yeah. Painting a picture and also if you could see lower time frame inefficiencies, that can also like limit or reduce your entry points. So on based on the 4 hour, if you go on the lower time frame and you see a fair value gap, right here. That could be an entry point, or this fair value gap here could be an entry point, and your stop would go at the high of this candle right here.
I can't see where
Oh no.
you.
Oh shit. I'm on the I'm on a
Alice, you got me over here looking at what?
I'm on a completely different screen, forgetting that this is what you're seeing over here. Hold on. Hold
Oh.
on. Yo, that's funny. Hold on. Let me break this down.
Dog. Oh. Okay. Yeah.
We're looking at this 4 hour order block here.
¿Cuál? Right here. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we're going on the 15 minute. Let me hide all of this stuff because so this is the 4 hour order block here. Inside of the order block, we have a inefficiency here, a fair value gap. Price moves for two things: to fill inefficiencies and to take liquidity. 15 minute inefficiency there. Your stop would be either this candle high or this candle high, personal preference, wherever you want, or this
Mhm.
inefficiency here would have been a good entry point too. It just depends on if you can see it, right? If your eyes can see it. If you can't see it, there's nothing wrong with it, right? But there's also another option too for you to pay attention to in your back testing.
So those are the closest fair value gaps?
These are the only fair value gaps in on the 15-minute time frame inside of the 4 hour.
Oh, inside of that 4 hour. Okay.
Exactly, inside of the 4 hour.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Mm, okay. I like it. I like it. So, well,
Let's do a trade performance review and get out of here.
yes, ma'am.
You ready?
Yeah.
What did you do well today?
Today, I back tested. I looked at the charts again after a few long days.
A little vacay.
Okay. Learned a lot though. I learned a lot today. Today was good. Um, Looking at the markets again was good and just kind of re-identifying the setup.
Yeah, we're still in the process of refinement, so that's all we can do really and truly.
Yeah.
For me, I showed up. All right, I got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session. Stuck to my processes, my procedures and protocols, didn't deviate from it. Saw my model, and I executed and felt no type of way about it. And yeah, very pleased with my performance today. I didn't let my two losses from this morning impact how I came into the PM session, right? I just kind of put it to the side. It was what it was. Those trades were fine trades. Losses are the only thing promised to me. So I just kind of came back and what's my processes. I followed it. So thumbs up for me today. I'm happy with my outcome. Two L's and one winner. So we'll take it for the day. Where I fell short today, I already mentioned this morning, would be wake up time and not doing my morning routine. It's been very hard for me to sleep. Believe it or not, I could only sleep last night. I had to sleep on the couch to get some rest, really and truly, because all throughout the whole night, this was me. Just couldn't get a decent amount of rest. So like it wasn't until I moved to the couch where I was able to like get a decent amount. I guess because I was elevated. I don't fucking know the science behind it, but Tash said sleep on the couch, it will help, and it helped. So whatever. So wake up time and morning routine, but that's pretty much where I think I fell short today. Chart wise, yeah, stuck to my processes and didn't deviate from it. So what about you? Where do you think you fell short today?
Today, I mean, I fell short. Just haven't been lacking from showing up consistently. I built a new morning routine.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking forward to just continuing that, but yeah, I fell short just by not showing up consistently.
All right, and it happens, right? Life happens, it is what it is. Sometimes you also need a good break from the market, you know. Sometimes it's just good to get away.
Yeah.
How can you improve for next day, next trading session?
Next day, next trading session, just continue to approach the markets the same way every time,
Yeah,
consistently. Like even if I'm not, on at the desired session, like at least
yeah,
approach the market every single time that I look at it the same, so I can see if there's something that I can learn along the way, and it's still fresh.
right.
Fresh in my mind, like, okay, this is what price has been doing the last couple of days. All right, this is what I'm anticipating, or this is what, could potentially go down. So just staying there.
Well, I like that. I like the consistently approaching the market the same thing on the same way. How can improve for next day, next trading session? Same thing as always. Just keep showing up, right? Keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses deter me, distract me from what got going on, and just keep analyzing the data, keep collecting data and analyzing it, keep taking small steps in the right direction, and don't be so fixated on my current situation. Just keep pushing forward, right? Knowing that we have an objective that we're trying to get to, and our current situation doesn't define who we are or who we're meant to be or where we're going. So that will be it from us today. Solid day in the market, can't complain. Showed up really and truly, just followed the procedures and protocols, didn't deviate from it. So I'm very happy and pleased with that. Tomorrow we have FOMC in a PM session, so PM session should be interesting. We got news tomorrow, DJ, making an optimal day to take a trade. We'll be back here kicking off PM session at 1:20. For AM session, catch me on Twitch, DJ, all right, kicking off at 9:15. Until then, you know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck, good trading. As always, happy hunting. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh my God. I ended the thing before ending the thing. Oh my God. It's like I'm new to this.